And this doesn't change how my game looks, but it completely changes how I build it, so I created a reusable attack system in CPP. Before this, my attack data was split across a bunch of variables, which would get messy fast as I add more weapons and enemies. So this is my attack data structure that I created in C++, and this is where all the values for an attack are stored. Instead of having separate variables like damage, cooldown, and range, they're all grouped together in one place. And this is where the attack data gets used. For both the normal attack and the lunge attack, I just break the structure and use the values I need. So things like range and damage still work the same, they're just coming from one place now. And everything still works the same, the system just pulls its values from the attack data now. Each weapon has its own attack data, and I store those as presets, and I use current weapon data variable to hold whichever one is active. So based on the current weapon, I just set current weapon data to the right preset. And just like before, I use that data by breaking the structure and pulling the values I need. So no matter which weapon is active, everything still works the same. So now my attack system is a lot cleaner and reusable, which will make it easier to build on. Next, I'm going to keep improving this system and making it more flexible in C++, so stick around if you want to see that. You can check out my previous video on how I switched my combat system to monsters,